Did you get the last bit? Sweet, so this is gonna be your dumbbell RDL. With your setup, you want your feet to be stacked underneath you, so ankles, knees, and hips in line. You're gonna keep your arms nice and long the entire time, and it's gonna run down your legs and down your shins. Before Brooke goes down, she's gonna attain her brace. If you haven't watched the brace video, it's pinned in the form channel. She's gonna attain a brace, and she's gonna think of pushing her hips back to the back wall. As soon as they don't go back any further, that's your end range. We want to think of backwards and forwards of the hips rather than a down and an up of the head and torso. Allow yourself to tip over and actually face your chest at the ground. There we go. Nice. And she's going to think of bringing your hips back through to the dumbbells.